This is Golden Technology's newest folding power chair. This is called the Stride. The SKU number is the GP301. This is a 265-pound folding power chair. When it's fully assembled, it's 55 pounds, and it goes up to 9 miles per charge. Top end speed is only about 3.7 miles an hour, but that's still almost twice the speed of walking speed. So what makes this unit great is that it's a nice, comfortable unit. It's got large rear 12-inch rear tires, 8-inch front solid tires. So you will be able to take this through some grass, some baseball fields. It's not going to be made to be used outside all the time. It's going to be more primarily made to use to go into shopping centers, theme parks, things like this. But this unit is approved for all transportation due to only having a 10 amp lithium battery pack in the front. So it is approved for cruises, trains, planes, and all the above. A couple really nice features about this unit, like I said, besides the folding aspect, is it does come with a 17-inch wide by 18-inch deep cushion. As you can see, I just picked this up. It is removable. It sits on Velcro. So you do have the ability, if you want to buy any cushion out there on the market, that is within this range of size, 17 by 18, or you could probably get away with an 18 by 18 cushion. Whether it's a gel, an air cushion, or different things, you can put this on here and it will Velcro right on. So having that ability is nice to be able to change your cushion because some people need an air cushion for pressure source or different comfort. On this unit, the armrests do flip up. You do have a red tab here on both sides, and you can see it flips out. It's not completely flush with the backrest, but it does flip up pretty well to get out of the way. So they do have these bars underneath here, so that's for extra support, so that people, when they do push off these arms, a lot of people put a lot of pressure on these arms getting in and out of the unit, and so they want to put these extra supports under here, so that way you are able to push off these arms. The joystick currently is set up on the right hand side. It is removable, and you can mount it on the left hand side, so you have the ability to drive with either side. The unit does fold up, and I'm going to show you that now. So the way you would fold that up is right here in the back of the unit, and we'll show this on an overlay. There's a little tab that you would lift up, and then you just begin to push the unit forward. Now once the unit begins to fold, you can actually pick it up and kick it upright. It's got little stands in the back that it sits on. If you wanted to make the unit even lighter, you can. Underneath the unit, there's a battery pack with a little tab that you can pull, and then this battery pack will slide out. These battery packs are about 4 pounds, so it would actually drop the overall weight of the unit if you took that off. Putting it back in, make sure you push your tab, slide it all the way back in. Footplate folds up. This is kind of what you're looking at here for overall size. Now, how you would pick this unit up, I would probably guess you have a nice foam handle here in the back, and then you can grab around the footplate. So this is about 55 pounds. Now, you can lay it down this way, pick it up, but you see how it wants to start to come apart. So realistically, this unit is going to be best folded by holding it upright like this and picking it straight up in the air. To unfold the unit, you're just going to pull it apart. You're going to hear it click when it gets all the way apart. That click means you're locked back in place. On the back of the unit here, you have your two motors. They're 200-watt motors each. You do have a little lever on both sides. If you needed to put it in neutral, you pull these levers towards you, and now it disengaged the electromagnetic brakes, so it's in freewheel. You do want to make sure every time you use the unit, they do need to be in the locked position, in that forward locked position, so make sure they are, well, on these motors it actually says electric. So what that means is it's telling you you are engaging your electromagnetic brakes. You do have a little bit of rear shocks over here in the back, and in the front you have a little bit of rear shocks or front shocks also. Underneath the unit you have a storage pouch as well, so if you need to keep some belongings, you can keep some stuff down here. The unit does come with a flag, which is very nice. It attaches right here into the back of the back pouch. There's a seam that goes in there, so you are visible. You could see this would sit pretty high up in the air, so while cruising around you are visible. The flag does come with all units. It comes with a charger and an owner's manual, and one other great feature that I just noticed too is right here underneath the joystick, there is a USB charging port right underneath here. So if you need to charge your phone while using your unit, you have that ability. Once again, this is the GP301 by Golden Technologies, 265-pound weight capacity folding power chair. If you have any questions, give us a call. All right, this is the GP301 by Golden Technologies. This is called the Stride. This is their 265-pound weight capacity. Once again, it's going to get about 9 miles on a full charge. 3.7 miles an hour top end speed. A couple differences with this unit is it's got 12-inch solid tires in the back, 8-inch solid tires in the front. So it's going to perform a little bit better than their smaller version, the Cricket, on non-paved surfaces. And so we're going to show you that here in just a minute. So this is the GP301. This is the Stride. This is their less weight capacity, 265-pound weight capacity unit, but it does have larger rear drive tires. So you can see as I go to turn, it turns a lot easier and a lot smoother on this because it has the larger tires. So they don't want to dig as much into the ground. So this unit, once again, none of these are made to be driven rugged outdoors, but this unit here is, compared to the Cricket, is going to drive a lot better on these types of surfaces.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.